FTX exchange is a leading centralized cryptocurrency exchange specializing in derivatives and leverage products. Founded in 2018 by MIT graduate and former Jan Street Capital International Exchange Traders fund trader Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX offers a range of trading products including derivatives, option volatility product, and leverage token. It also provides spot markets in over 100 cryptocurrencies trading pairs such as BTC to USDT, Ethereum to USDT, XRP to USDT, and its native token FTT to USDT. FTX wide range products and easy to use desktop and mobile trading apps draw crypto investors of all skill levels from beginners to seasoned professionals or in crypto jargon from newbie to whales. The FTX platform offers a comprehensive range of order types from basic market orders to more complex trailing stop orders. FTX competitive future and spot market trading fees range from 0.04% to 0.07% of market takers based on the maker and taker model as of January 2022. Meanwhile, leveraged tokens carried aggregation and redemption fees of 0.10% and a daily management fee of 0.03%. FTX supports 9 fiat currencies that investor can deposit and withdraw via a wire transfer: the US dollars, euro, British pound, Australian dollar, Hong Kong dollar, Singapore dollar, Canadian dollar, and Brazilian real. FTX is incorporated in Antigua and Barbuda and headquartered in the Bahamas after moving from Hong Kong in September 2021. Its FTX Digital Market Limited unit is regulated by the Securities Commission of the Bahamas. The exchange does not offer service to US residents. US-based crypto traders can access FTX US, a registered money service business with the FinCEN. In October 2021, FTX US completed its acquisition of Larger X, rebranding it as FTX US Derivatives. FTX US Derivatives is licensed as derivatives clearing organization, swap execution facility, and designed correct market by the US. Derivatives are complex financial instruments that essentially allow traders to be on whether the price of an asset will go up or down. Derivatives can also be used to leverage traders, multiplying both gains and losses. CoinMarketCap put FTX as the third biggest global cryptocurrencies exchange in terms of trading volume. It offers several crypto derivatives products including leverage token, which allow investors to use leverage without the complication of full margin trading. FTX can't offer all its products in the US because of striker regulation. It operation as a separate site called FTX US for American custom, but it might be able to broaden its US after soon. FTX will acquire Larger X, a derivatives company that's regulated by the CTFC to operate in the US. The company hopes the acquisition will help the establish a stronger position in the US by buying a company that is already licensed. FTX believes it can bring its experience in international crypto derivatives trading to the US market, giving it an advantage over leading exchanges like Coinbase. There's a lot of talk about crypto regulation in many countries about the world. In the US, authorities are concerned about the way crypto exchange work. the lack of investor protection and control in decentralized finance, and the role of cryptocurrencies in the general. We know that increased regulation is coming, but we don't know what form it will take or how it may impact existing regulated business like larger acts. If the US claims down on all crypto derivatives trading and could put a dent in FTX US ambitions. However, FTX is serious about compliance. Backman Fried has repeatedly stressed the FTX is committed to staying on the right side of regulation. The FTT token is not listed on top cryptocurrency exchanges in the US. In fact, according to the FTX website, US residents are not allowed to trade FTT tokens. This may change as FTX beefs up its US offers, but right now it is difficult for American to buy FTT. Like many cryptocurrencies, the price of FTT has risen considerably since the start of year. On January 1st, 2021, FTT cost $5.7 and it is now trading at over $60. The token has made a considerable jump in the past few months. The price has more than doubled since the start of July. The challenge with the wild price swings in cryptocurrency is that it's almost impossible to predict whether a coin will continue to gain in value or whether a big price jump means it is about to fall again. It certainly does not make sense to buy in the hope of another 1000% return in the short term. But if you live outside the US and want to buy, first look at FTT's fundamentals to decide if you think it make a good long-term investment. If you do buy, make sure you only spend money you can afford to lose. All cryptocurrency investments are risky and there are a lot of things we don't know about how this market will evolve. The idea of high return is tempting, but there's also the risk the value of your investment could fall to zero.